Madame Medusa, HBIC Tremaine, Scar, Maleficent, Ursula, Cruella de Vil's in the fucking building, bitch! Jafar, there you are. We gotta have a fucking talk. Jasmine, what the hell are you doing here? I thought you didn't fuck with me anymore, girl. Don't turn up on her, Jafar. You've been talking about my man? Again? It's in your best interest that you stay the fuck out of my face. Now, does he know that he's your man? We're in a relationship. Please don't tell him the tea. Please, 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 please. Oh, is that what you're all calling it these days? Yes! Don't tell her! Enough of your raggedy ass drama. Keep my man's name out your mouth. I guess you haven't heard the tea going around town about your man, have you, girl? What do you mean? Your man prefers sucking. What? Dick. No. Oh, yes. Well, what'd you expect, girl? This is Hotlanta. Fuck you! You should have never told me! I could have dealt with it without being told! Serves you right, bitch. Don't fuck with me anymore. You know she's gonna come back and whoop your ass, right? She ain't about that life. Fuck that bitch. Oh. Alright, let's go. Fuck Auntie Yzma, I'm done. Don't turn up! Look, your messy behind Auntie has one more time to try me, I'm gonna have to hurt her little feelings. She's your aunt, too. I don't claim that bitch. Don't tell me you're supporting Kuzco. Yep. What? Being gay is a sin. I don't think Kuzco likes being called gay. She's transgender. I don't care what it is. He's still going to hell. And you know what? You can tell him that I said that. Whatever. She needs to stop worrying about me going to hell and worry about getting a fucking facelift because God don't like ugly. You know, God made Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve. God doesn't judge. Urgh. She needs to worry about her man fucking other women. You're right about that, Kuzco. I hope you don't think he looks better than me. He will never be on my level. Kinda does. She's just mad because I look better than her. But I will be praying for him. Tell that bitch to pray for herself. Why don't you guys just kiss and make up? If she doesn't change her ways, she's gonna end up in hell. Huh? Please don't tell her the please. The please. Please don't tell her the please. T. Okay, this is gonna be an outtake. You guys are gonna get an outtake tonight. Okay, cut.